Hey, welcome to SheetMergy, and I'm gonna show you exactly what this tool does and how to get started in under 4 minutes. So actually, what is it? What is a SheetMergy? And it is document automation platform. The idea is so simple. You have data somewhere. It can be in Google Sheets, it can be in Excel, any database. You can bring it with API. It doesn't matter. You can upload it manually, and you wanna turn it personalized documents, PDFs, emails. It doesn't matter. You can do it inside SheetMergy. Basically, it does everything, and it has advanced features too. So let me show you around in dashboard. When you land here, you will see your dashboard, and also you have also some templates here. You can easily start. For example, to create certificates, to create invoices, it doesn't matter. SheetMergy have some templates you can use. And here is a job section. The magic starts here actually. And first you should start new job. And I will not show details here, but if you wanna check details, you will see the videos on each section, how to use it, the template side, data, mapping, filters. In each section there will be a video, short videos. You can use it for your work guide. Here you are just gonna create job name, a description if you wanna do it scheduled or manually. You will click the next button. Okay, let's do manually. You have here, you can use Google Drive as a document template, or you can add your Microsoft Word here. Also, you can use HTML email. By the way, you can also do like, hold on. For example, if you want to create HTML email, let's, for example, I have already. Okay, here, for example, you will see your HTML email. You can use it auto email here too. So you will have data section, which you can use Google Sheets, upload a file, or you can do custom table in our SheetMergy. You can also do webhook. By the way, all of them will have all their own documentation. You will see it in docs section. You can check it out here too. So for each section, filters, grouping, you need just check their short videos to understand how to use them. Then there's run history. After creating job, you will start the job, and there will be files created. You can check it out here too. There will be storage. You can create folders here. You will see your files here. You can create your tables here too if you wanna use it inside of SheetMergy. You have settings here. Settings is, there's general settings, your organization name, billing section, members. You can add your team members here, API keys. You have integrations here. You can integrate it with Google, and you have docs here. You wanna use REST API, embed webhooks. You can check it out by inside it. There's detailed documents. You can write us and we will answer you. You can write it here too. Yeah, that's all. Basically, it is it.